Hey guys, it's Suk Ram Hair. As you can see, my client has come in today with hair that's dehydrated, weakened, brittle and lacking moisture. Straight away I'm thinking of my Extreme Repair shampoo and conditioner duo, which is my strength collection. My unique formula is tailored to protect hair follicles against breakage and split ends, and is recommended for regular use on highly damaged, coloured or brittle hair. My whole collection is infused with high levels of organic ingredients, it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. And here comes the repair spray, which is packed full of vitamins and minerals, giving your hair high levels of protein to make breakage a thing of the past. I'm now drying all of the goodness of my products into the hair. I'm also going to cut the edge blunt to give it a thicker and fuller visual feeling. After using my strength shampoo and conditioner, I decided to use my repair mask. Now my repair mask is the powerhouse. This is the ultimate hydrating, repairing and reconstructing treatment that's been designed for all hair types, infused with beautiful levels of argan and quinoa. Right then guys, thank you very much for joining me here on my YouTube channel today. If you love the look of what you see, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All of the products I've used in my video are available on my online store, sukram.uk. Thank you.